Sure, Ellen
I'm
showing
doing,
us a Carter scratch.
I'm doing the Carter scratch, Carter strum. I'm anchoring either my pinky or my ring finger right on the ukulele. And then I'm only using my thumb and my forefinger, and I'm alternating with my thumb on the G and C strings. So boom, shaka, boom, shaka, boom, shaka, boom. And then later on, you can add in a hammer on the G chord, on the C string. And get it real fast because you're not moving your hand a lot. You're not flailing it around a lot. So it's easier to contain it that way. That's it.
Oh gosh, that's just this side of fabulous, if you ask me. Yeah, and as I was mentioning before, because I like to bring all my fingers to the party, this is such a wonderful technique that I had to woodshed a little bit to have a little conversation with my other fingers saying, take a break, darlings. You've been working so hard. And it's just these two fingers. And I just wanted to show you something that I found that builds on what Ellen was talking about this hammer on. And I was trying to ask myself, well, how could I do that with a C chord? I think Ellen came up with, yeah, which is very nice. And I came up with one more idea because we have a lot of C chords in this song, Better Times Will Come. We're in the key of a G, and then we go to the key of A. So I am making a C chord. I get mixed up. Is this second position, first position? It looks like a G minor 7, except I'm bringing the whole form up to the 3rd fret. This one. So let go, and let's find that. So the experiment I had was, so I'm doing Ellen's hammer on, also on the C string. So what I'm doing is I'm lifting off my middle finger. So watch right here. It's kind of an interesting sound. So let's try just going back and forth between doing this technique with the G chord and then with the C chord. Why don't we do 2 measures of each and really slowly? So 2, 3, 4, G. Now C. We're doing 4 measures. G. Let's do it again. C. And then see if you can find something else, another way of doing this. There's got to be a lot of different variations.